How to fix CapCut app not working in Android and iPhone. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the CapCut app not working on your mobile device, either it's Android or iPhone. So now let's get started. So first thing I want you to do is go ahead and restart your device. Press and hold the power button and then tap on restart. This can resolve many temporary glitches or background problems. And another thing you can do is you can go ahead, clear the app cache and data, and also force stop this application. For that, you need to open the system settings, scroll down and go to apps. From here, simply search for CapCut application. Now, once you find it, scroll down and tap on its storage, and then click on clear cache and also click on clear data. But clearing the data will also delete all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. So you need to be very careful regarding that. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. And also open the Google Play Store. And if you're using the Apple, go ahead and open your App Store. From the search bar, type in CapCut. Once you find it, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Also do the same in your iPhone. Now you can also try updating your phone software. For that, you need to open the settings of your phone. Now from the settings page, simply go ahead and search for software update, or you can also manually go and search for it. Click on it and then tap on download and install. And if there is any update available, you can go ahead and install it on your device. Also, don't forget to check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is with one connection type. And if needed, you can also run a speed test to check your internet speed. And another thing is the app permissions. Go to settings, then go to apps. From here, search for CapCut application. Once you find it, tap on permissions and make sure that you have given all the permissions to this app. Now, another thing you can do is you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the application. For that, simply go ahead and tap on uninstall. And if you're using iPhone, you can go ahead and upload the app. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.